Happening tonight, Clemson City Council will vote on whether to fine businesses and residents for excessive false fire alarms. It's been a problem in that area for years. Our Peyton Furtado is learning more about their proposed ordinance. She's live with us now outside of Dockside Apartments. Peyton?
Well, Sydney, though Dockside Apartments residents say false fire alarms have been an issue for quite a while, according to the fire department, Dockside isn't even their biggest offender. It's something the city and the campus have dealt with for years, with more than 300 false alarms in 2021 and around 200 in 2022, according to Clemson Fire Marshal Brian Johnson. Ordinances like these decrease emergency call volumes by 20 to 30% on average.
It would free up the personnel, especially on police side and university fire side, to respond to actual emergencies.
Every year, Clemson's population jumps from nearly 17,000 to around 40,000 as the student body moves on and off campus. But when a business or apartment complex like Dockside Apartments has multiple false alarms, it means one less unit responding to real emergencies.
This is just a small part of a much bigger piece of the puzzle, but when you think about how much time, money, and resources is going to it when false alarms happen, it's stretching the fire department a lot thinner.
The units aren't, they're not invincible. They can have wrecks as well. And the more times you respond and the more times you run, increases that risk. And then it also increases their cost of operating.
Posing a risk for first responders and residents.
Because of multiple fire alarms in residential units, it goes off so many times that it goes off and it's rollover and I'm not leaving.
I thought it was like a boy who cried wolf situation. Yeah. We had the fire alarm go off 20 times in the past month. I had no reason to believe it was a real issue.
After their first warning, false alarm fines could range from $50 to $700, depending on if the alarm is registered with the fire department. If this ordinance is passed, fines can be waived if it was caused by a natural disaster or by a power outage. Live in Clemson, I'm Peyton Furtado for WYFF News 4.